how much is a reasonable amount of testosterone to take a week for a beginner? I guess as TRT.
Oh, it's TRT? Yeah. It just depends. Like I said, I start people, my general starting point is really around 80 milligrams twice a week for test sip. If I start them on cream, I start everybody at 2 clicks a day in the morning only, just to assess how their body absorbs the cream after 3 or 4 weeks. I want to make sure they absorb it, see where those 2 clicks put them as an individual. After that, it's off to the races with them trying, where they want to be, if they want to do twice a day or not. If their levels are at 2,500 on 2 clicks, I might be like, hey, try 1 click now. Oh, hey, let's reduce the concentration. Or if their levels are 600 on 2 clicks, we might be like, cream may not be for you. I mean, we'll still try it, but there's a happy medium of absorption, but it gets cost prohibitive if you're one of those poor absorbers. But yeah, it's going to totally depend on your provider. I know providers that start people on the low end. I think 100 milligrams a week total is probably as low as one should be started. And even then, that's pretty darn low for most people. If you start them with frequent injections, it probably will be okay. Like if you did a daily or every other day, but most beginners aren't going to do that. I just feel like a starting point of 140 to 160, 140 to somewhere in there total weekly is a good starting point. And then, but it's always about the individual and how they respond to it, and then adjusting based on how they feel.
Yeah, for cream it also depends the base in which the testosterone is compounded.
Yep.
I already shared it in another video, but I've used for 6 years, I guess, 2 times 3 clicks a day, 20% in a liposomal base, just to get levels of 1200 nanograms per deciliter total testosterone. Then last year I switched to HRT base, and for this to reach the same levels, I can get away with 2 times 2 clicks a day.
Yep.
So
exactly.
Less cream. It's cheaper for me.
Exactly.
That's still the same.
Exactly. And that's I want to help people with the cost part of it too. So I'm always like, I start everybody with a Trevis base because that's easy to get here. I think it's a little edge above HRT as far as but they're very similar. And I had good results. I started with HRT base. I like a Trevis as far as the consistency of it, the way it dries, a little better, but otherwise it's pretty equivalent as far as absorption and levels. The liposomal, I have not seen. I feel, and I can't remember, I have talked to my wife about it. Liposomal tends to be better for females to the vaginal mucosa. I think it's specifically best for that area. And when guys try to use it on scrotal or even regular skin, it's just not going to absorb the same way. I have to confirm that, but I think that's the deal with liposomal.
Yeah, well, I get the same absorption from 4 clicks total instead of 6 clicks on a liposomal base. So.
Nice.